Today on Tanaka Homestead, we're gonna harvest my Centennial sweet potatoes. So I am super excited to harvest my Centennial sweet potatoes today. 90 days ago, I planted slips, and there's actually a video on that if you want to check it out. I've watched these sweet potato vines essentially take over my garden. I had a trellis, but I had to take it down for Hurricane Ian, and they've just continued to flourish. I am so eager to see what I got. I can't wait. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start trying to clear away the vines so it makes it a little easier for me to access the sweet potatoes. So this is what I mean. They've taken over my pathway. It's actually not too bad, but I have a pathway here that's covered. And then on the other side, they've grown over. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting and try and make this a little more manageable. I think this will go a lot faster if I have help. So I asked my husband to help me, and he was kind enough to do that. How excited are you to help me, Joel?
I'm very excited.
He's very excited. This was just from pulling up the vines. We haven't even started to uproot the tubers. We're about to do that right now. But this one, this is huge. I mean, this could literally feed our family. This is great. And this one is perfect. Well, just about. There's a little area back here. But, I mean, look at these. This is great. So I am super excited to see what's underground. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I really do appreciate it. I also do appreciate the comments, and I do my best to try to respond to everybody, but I do appreciate the support. Happy gardening. Bye-bye.